Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down. Head towards the option of Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode over here. Click on this option of Reset Face ID. Now click on Set up Face ID. Now you can try to set up the Face ID. If it is not working, what you have to do is head back. Go to the main page of settings, scroll down, open this option General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll up. Open this option Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Now head back, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset All Settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. If you still encounter this issue, what you have to do is first restart your iPhone. For that, you have to press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.